Hi there. Welcome back to our next session on Advanced Java. In this session we are going to discuss about JavaServer Pages, JSP. JSP technology is used to create web application just like SCRIPTLET technology. It can be thought of as an extension to SCRIPTLET because it provides more functionality than SCRIPTLET such as expression language, JSTL etc. A JSP page consists of HTML tags and JSP tags. The JSP pages are easier to maintain than SCRIPTLET because we can separate designing and development. It provides some additional features such as expression language, custom tag etc. Now let's understand, when SCRIPTLET was there then why we should use JSP. For answering this let's compare SCRIPTLET and JSP. There are many advantages of JSP over SCRIPTLET. Extension to SCRIPTLET. JSP technology is the extension to SCRIPTLET technology. We can use all the features of SCRIPTLET in JSP. In addition to, we can use implicit objects, predefined tags, expression language and custom tags in JSP that makes JSP development easy. Easy to maintain. JSP can be easily managed because we can easily separate our business logic with presentation logic. In SCRIPTLET technology, we mix our business logic with the presentation logic. Fast development, no need to recompile and redeploy. If JSP page is modified, we don't need to recompile and redeploy the project. The SCRIPTLET code needs to be updated and recompiled if we have to change the look and feel of the application. Less code than SCRIPTLET. In JSP, we can use a lot of tags such as action tags, JSTL, custom tags etc. that reduces the code. Moreover, we can use implicit objects etc. Let's see the life cycle of JSP. The JSP pages follows these phases. Translation of JSP page. Compilation of JSP page. Class loading, class file is loaded by the class loader. Instantiation, object of the generated SCRIPTLET is created. Initialization, JSP init method is invoked by the container. Request processing, _JSP service method is invoked by the container, and destroy, JSP destroy method is invoked by the container. JSP page is translated into SCRIPTLET by the help of JSP translator. The JSP translator is a part of web server that is responsible to translate the JSP page into SCRIPTLET. After that SCRIPTLET page is compiled by the compiler and gets converted into the class file. Moreover, all the processes that happens in SCRIPTLET is performed on JSP later like initialization, committing response to the browser and destroy. Let's do a simple JSP program. I have already done this program. I have created an index.html page. Index page is automatically called, so we need not to map it. Into this code I have given link to my JSP page. Now let's see our JSP program. JSP is also an HTML code with the JSP extension. In the SCRIPTLET tag we will write our code. I have given a simple message to be printed on the screen. Now save your file. Since it is not a Java file so you need not to compile it. Just copy the folder to the web apps folder. Now open the console and you can see your JSP is running very fine. It is easier than SCRIPTLET and it's fast also. Now let's discuss about JSP APIs. JSP API consists of two packages. JavaServer JSP, and JavaServer JSP TAG. The JavaServer JSP package has two interfaces and classes. The two interfaces are JSP page, and HTTP JSP page. The classes are JSP writer, page context, JSP factory, JSP engine info, JSP exception, and JSP error. The JSP page interface. According to the JSP specification, all the generated SCRIPTLET classes must implement the JSP page interface. It extends the SCRIPTLET interface. It provides two lifecycle methods. Methods of JSP page interface. Public void JSP init method. It is invoked only once during the life cycle of the JSP when JSP page is requested firstly. It is used to perform initialization. It is same as the init method of SCRIPTLET interface. And public void JSP destroy method. It is invoked only once during the life cycle of the JSP before the JSP page is destroyed. It can be used to perform some cleanup operation. The HTTP JSP page interface. The HTTP JSP page interface provides the one lifecycle method of JSP. It extends the JSP page interface. Method of HTTP JSP page interface. Public void _JSP service method. It is invoked each time when request for the JSP page comes to the container. It is used to process the request. The underscore signifies that you cannot override this method. JSP scripting elements. The scripting elements provides the ability to insert Java code inside the JSP. There are three types of scripting elements: scriptlet tag, expression tag, and declaration tag. Now let's understand scriptlet tag. A scriptlet tag is used to execute Java source code in JSP. You can see the syntax on the screen. You have to write your Java code within %symbol in this tag. You can see an example as well on the screen. Now let's do a program of scriptlet tag. In this example, we have created two files, index.html and welcome.jsp. The index.html file gets the username from the user and the welcome.jsp file prints the username with the welcome message. Let's see the index.html file. It is a simple form to get username, and it is sent to welcome.jsp file on the click of Go button. Now let's see the JSP file. In the JSP file, create a string variable in the scriptlet tag, and get the value from the HTML by using requestGetParameter method. And now with the output stream object, print the message. Now save the files and copy the root folder to the web apps. Open the server page on browser and click on the link. Enter the text in the text box, click Go. Now JSP page opens with the welcome message along with the text entered. JSP expression tag. The code placed within JSP expression tag is written to the output stream of the response. So you need not write out.print method to write data. It is mainly used to print the values of variable or method. You can see the syntax. You can use equal to symbol for printing your data. See the example. You will not require to give out.print method, you can directly write the statement. Now let's do an example. In this example, we are printing the username using the expression tag. The index.html file gets the username and sends the request to the welcome.jsp file, which displays the username. See the index.html file. It is same as earlier example. There is a form that has a text field to get the text and a submit button. On the action it is sent to welcome.jsp file. Now let's see the welcome.jsp file. In the tag I am not using out.print method to write the data on the browser. Save your file. Copy it to the web apps folder. I have already copied it. Copying it again. Now open the server manager page on the browser. You can see your folder name in the application list. Click on the folder. Index page will open. Enter text, click on Go. You can see the output. JSP declaration tag. The JSP declaration tag is used to declare fields and methods. The code written inside the JSP declaration tag is placed outside the service method of auto-generated SCRIPTLET, so it doesn't get memory at each request. See the syntax. There is also a sample program on your screen and we will do a live example as well. Let's see the example. In this example of JSP declaration tag, we are defining the method which returns the cube of given number and calling this method from the JSP expression tag. But we can also use JSP SCRIPTLET tag to call the declared method. See the index.jsp page. there is a declaration tag in which I have created a method of finding cube on a number. You can see the code. And after the declaration tag, I have used the expression tag for printing the value. You can copy the code. Now copy your root directory to the web apps folder in Apache. It is already there, I will override it. Now open your server manager and see the application list. You will find your folder name. Click on the folder, you can get the cube of number 3. Now let's see the implicit objects of JSP. There are 9 JSP implicit objects. These objects are created by the web container that are available to all the JSP pages. The available implicit objects are out, request, config, session, application, etc. You can see all the implicit objects on your screen with its meaning. You can use them directly. Make note of them. In our next videos we will use these implicit objects. Hope you liked this session. We will learn some more interesting topics in our upcoming videos. Till then, take care. Thank you. Hope you liked the video. We will get to know more topics in our upcoming sessions. Till then, thank you.